to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022.
Alright, so DuttyBerry here with an artist, a beautiful artist that just deal with the stage wicked, and her name is Skaii the Limit.
Skaii the Limit.
Yeah, I mean, if I find out her real name, Crystal, I should want to hide it. Like, so she name Claudette or win some underneath all of this niceness.
Very, I'm proud of my name. I'm not trying to hide my name, oh God.
Okay, Skaii. How you get the name?
Skaii is a long, long story, but Edna Manley, I went to Edna Manley.
Oh, you're an Edna girl.
I'm an Edna girl,
so you're full creative.
I'm a full creative.
Oh,
I love
nice.
music, Brad, and I'm
yeah.
not gonna stop doing it. I love it. So that's the journey started at Edna, and you know, as a backup singer, I'm used to do music for other artists. But you know,
like who you work with more?
Well, nobody known like that, but you know, you're the backup.
Oh, so you've done stage shows and stuff.
I've done stage shows.
Okay,
right.
so now your time for shine now.
My time for shine.
Because why? The Skaii is there.
Living.
All right,
exactly.
see there.
I know, as an artist, you want your own brand, you want your own name, so I had to like figure out what worked for me, and Skaii was just perfect.
But I like you already because you're first time there, I hate when the artist them if you're a new artist, I saw you must conduct yourself in the interviews, make the people them like you, and you're doing it. So could you describe your sound, because you look very like you get with 90s dancehall, bike back type of setting, so careful of the foot setting, put up on the muffler. So describe your sound to me and your style.
So naturally, I'm a singer, but I'm a dancehall R&B artist because I'm a DJ as well. So you know, I'm a DJ and bad upstage.
Give me a little piece of a little DJ style. Come never get to see the full performance. Give me a little.
Say, hey, Duttyberry, bad bitch, the fire ground. I see the magic print out in your front. Get me excited, they make my little kitty jump. My body's alright, but Duttyberry want thumb.
Wow! I couldn't believe this is lovely, angelic girl. I'm going to transform like that. Like Nicki Minaj, Roman Revenge or something like that. Alright, let me hear a little piece of the singing now.
Take all of me, don't hold back. You're the burning fire, my soul lack. Take all of me, want you to take me.
Oh God.
Oh baby.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Can I take it in a slice?
Yeah,
I do all like one time.
Anyway you want it.
Okay. Yeah, mommy, I eat everything I left. Oh wow. You never heard it a while ago. Jesus Christ. Oh, you see, you never get so comfortable. That I not even remember what saying.
Don't worry, the universe I work with.
Yeah man. Hey, it's 2022 vibes.
2022.
Anyway, so tell the people in the projects that you have now and where them can find you to find out more about your music.
Right, so I have a lot of songs out. Old to me but new to you, and I want you to go check them out. The artist name is Skaii the Limit. The platform is Skaii the Limit, SKAII Limit. We have only a nice song, only a song for the girl them, love song, every kind of song. And I have a new song coming out January with a video, so y'all can look forward to that. I work, and enough more things in store. So look out for Skaii the Limit.
Yeah man, you have a fitting name, and it has been a pleasure like talking to you. I think you just gained a new fan.
Duttyberry, a long time I watch you.
Oh God, don't make
After I talk to you right now, it's a big thing.
Oh wow,
Could
have never a small thing. I love that. I could have never, because the sky is the limit.
The sky is the limit,
and
right?
Duttyberry is the limit and beyond. That's how it go.
Definitely. I'm going to say big up my team.
Oh yeah, big them up.
Big up my team. All of them, the writers, and now support me. Everybody, the right there, so. My management,
so I appear bad charge. I your whole entire team.
I bad charge.
Oh wow.
The whole team. My designer, I'm a nice, clean designer.
Yeah.
DN, you don't know. Look how I'm nice. Yes, baby.
You see that below our personality? Please go and go follow her. Just because of this. This interview just pure vibes. Alright, nice meeting you in the Skaii.
Nice to meet you,
Alright, cool. Before we go, you have to say a little box cover to the camera. Box cover.
Box cover.
Alright, nice.
I like all my kitty great. But the little but me want my pocket and the way. Broke man can't beat up my kitty like me. Mentally on the money me penetrate. Not take chat, me no girl can't grip. Do it big now, fi nobody now wait. Now sickle down right now I elevate. Let me tell you that's one drop. Make money no that no question. Big money get me out.
Sting 2022, but almost in 2023 because they return after about hiatus and they're back. Some of them with the artist named Papa Jack. Now first of all, how you get the name then?
You know, I'm my mother's best friend. Given a name there, I want to use it as an entertainment name. I never let it go from your little boy. So some just continue it. Sometimes some people say change it, bro. You put bad for the name, but I'm saying a name is a name.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
You know what I mean? We just continue further.
Yeah.
Papa Jack, proceed, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Papa Jack.
So you've been in the game now for what, like 10 or less of years?
Yeah, more than 10 years.
So what kind of difficulties and struggles you as a brother now like pop up in the dancehall industry? Because the ear said it's full of whole heap of hold down and a whole heap of fight. What make you actually still want to keep up, you know, with the space?
Because you know, I dream. I don't know we can do it, we don't ask if we can do it. But sometimes a preparation of the key to all things, you understand? So right now we're prepared.
Yeah.
We're well prepared, so we're ready. We're ready for them now, you know what I mean? And it's been a long while, but we still have it, so we're good.
Yeah, so why they say you're ready now? What the name of the tracks them where you have for the people them right now going into 2023?
Well, I sang them Inner Strength. You can check it out on the YouTube, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Inner Strength. I remember next one, them Gal Bang. You don't know the thing, but whole heap of song, man. Just check out the Papa Jack, man. Papa Jack 876. Right on the YouTube, and you find some songs, you see me?
Yeah. Could you come tell me, say, is there any particular artist right now that you'd love to collaborate with if you got the chance?
Well, I know say a Bounty Killer, you don't know, killer artist. Love Bounty Killer, but all of great talent out there.
Yeah.
All of young talent that they know too. So much of them what we could have collaborated with, you know what I mean? But right now, you don't know. We have a hit for Killer same way, you know, because Killer with generalism.
Yeah. Speaking of young talent, if you had the opportunity to collaborate with either Amari or Queenie, which one you'd choose?
Queenie.
Any particular reason?
Queenie gangster, you know.
Oh, okay.
But she don't go have a whole of a split personality. You know?
Yeah. But you could have worked with it, yeah.
Man, we could have fixed up and find a nice song with Queenie, man. Because she have that talent, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, you don't know Queenie.
Alright, so here one. You see, for the people them who don't know Papa Jack, I'm going to just give you like a 30-second for just like DJ, freestyle, anything for the people them right now, alright? You good?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, so hold the mic, looking at the camera and just do your thing.
Man stronger now, yeah, than before. Watch a Dirty Berry. Memories, yeah. Good and bad memories, yeah. I and I stronger now, yeah, than before. Yeah, me, man. People to check out the Papa Jack in the year. YouTube, 1876 Papa Jack. A murder. I buff them. Dirty Berry, know the thing going on.
Alright, so Duttyberry here, Sting 2022 with an artist who just finishing first Sting performance, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Tuffaz, how was that?
It was good, you know. You know, as my first big performance like Sting, it was feeling good. I may appreciate it when I see me Sting as an artist coming up at Sting. Yeah, man, I'm feeling good.
How long you been in the music business? What, less than four years or so?
Well, me I do music from about 15 years, you know, so you know, a good while at still. But at the same time, me coming out doing music the real way, it was in 2021. Yeah, you see me? So now in 2022, pushing out it was a good experience for me because I only for work. You know, so me that Sting. Yeah, I'm feeling good, man.
Alright, so as a new artist in the game, what kind of challenges like you face from time to time? Come hear people say that dancehall enough for the week, like you have to really just like mentally tough to survive in the game. So what kind of difficulties like you that you have come across already?
Well, I come across difficulty already still, like going shows with artists still. Artists will be really rate. Say, yo, brother, give me a local run. And at the same time, me don't get that from the artist there. But me can say, enough respect to craft and enough respect to Valley. You see, them really give me the real ideal and put me up on a big stage with them. So I can say enough respect to them same way in our music system. Yeah,
alright, so I know say you put out a project the other day called Black People's Story, right?
Yeah.
What the response has been like from the public?
Well, the response from the public was good because I don't know, enough people want to see love right now. Enough people want to live up to see them kids. You see me? Grandparents see them grandkids. So love and Black People's Story is all about unity and strength. You understand? People will look up to society the real way. You understand? Yeah, man. Yeah, that is all about Black People's Story.
How would you describe your sound? How would you describe your sound different from like other artists of their own now?
Well, would I describe my sound totally different, you know, because this is Tuffaz, so me I do me. I do everybody are sing off for everybody.
Just a focus on your own vibe and own lane.
Focus on me, and when me feel like say the people want to hear. You understand? So that is all about Tuffaz in music.
Alright, Tuffaz, now I'm going to ask you a little careless question now. So, as a rising dancehall artist, it's easier, like an easy 1-2 for like get, you know, like a vagina. Like it is easier now that there's a dancehall artist. It's easy to go on, you know, get that. Like you just jump up in the DM, a little stage show, bam. Get out the truth.
Yeah, man, you can't say that yes, but
easier than before.
Yeah, man, really easier than before, but we can't say right now. Everybody have their own opinion to do what they want. Yeah. So if a girl ever come up to me when time I done do a show and come off and say, yo, you know, say I like you, really. It's up to me if I want to get that.
Oh, so at a point now where you're selective and adjust and push them forward.
Yeah.
You're ready for the artist world. You understand the mentality already. Alright, big up yourself, you know, Tuffaz. Bless. Yes.
Yeah, man, Sting 2022, enough respect, Tuffaz outside.
Oh, hold on, give the people them like a freestyle, hold on. Yeah, give them some.
Hey, money. We have to make it on, we have to get it, hey, money. A money man a make full speed connect. You know a money man a make no count out the deck. Me say a money man a make touch the internet. You know a money ain't nothing funny. Watch you know because woman fi get money and that a real thing. Because them not in and not a shabby thing. Look pon that one day how she whining. She make me eyes them open and me head a spin. But look pon the thing that she wearing. Them the same thing no buy with shilling. She make me stop DJ and Melissa sing. A them girl they yo, a them Tuffaz outside live.
I wake up at them then now. They read me for them when I make money and know say this year. I don't want money. I Tuffaz outside. Tell them I want money, I make it full speed. And I tell them your money,